Good morning, Rax. Today is Friday, March 20th, which makes today World Storytelling Day. At least that's what they tell me. Last day here, this first abbreviated week of our social distancing and our online learning. A lot of different classes probably got stuff to turn into, and I know it's still a feeling out process, but it's like that the first week of school too. So, we're getting used to it. We're getting better. I know a lot of you guys are. Three big things to go over. First off, couple from Laskowski. If you were an athlete over the winter, you didn't turn in your clothes yet, he needs to collect them. You need to wash them, bag them, and then contact him. He might be reaching out to you as well, so check your email. He'll be driving around the city to pick them up. Any cheerleaders who owe coupon books or coupon money, he's going to be seeing you about that as well, so we can get those taken care of. Transportation forms. I was doing it over announcements at school the last couple of weeks. But if they were mailed home to you, we need them mailed back to the school. You can see the address on the website. Mail them to the Latta Road address. We'll be all good to go. We keep talking about social distancing and why it's important. And I showed the dots one the other day. I think this one gives good light to it as well. If we just keep walking around, we're going to have a real problem. However, if we can get it down to this 75%, far less people get infected over 30 days. And then things are under control. We can go back to normal a lot quicker. A lot of birthdays to go through because it's a weekend. We have 3 birthdays today. Happy birthday to these following young ladies or lady and gentlemen. Happy birthday to Jaheim Anderson. Happy birthday to Jordan Green. Even though she does not look happy, no one's like. And happy birthday to Everest. Baby. On Sunday, we got 3 birthdays as well. Happy birthday on Sunday to Tashana Brown Dukes. Happy birthday to Josiah Hayward. And happy birthday to Savion McFall. All right, so a lot of birthdays over the weekend. Hopefully you guys are having fun with that. Get after it on our Google Classroom, Zoom, whatever you're setting up on. I know I got couple more workouts at noon and 3:30 today. Maybe we'll even get a few teachers in and have some fun with that. Keep attacking it, Rax. I know you are. And great to see all your faces on here. And hey, keep on keeping on. Should be a nice day today. A little windy, but get out there and enjoy the end of this week. Have a great day, Rax.